Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, and if you didn't watch part 1, you might want to watch it. I had to go through here and open up these tributaries between these two lakes. I removed some interior parts, I removed stuff like that, and like right there I had to open up that so the smart field could flow between it. I had to delete a bunch of stuff here, had to delete this inside circle. And then I've done this before, but I forget about it. Let's take a rectangle, and then let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill in the outside. Look at all the red we left behind, all the garbage. Now we can left click, right click. You do need to go to Object, break the curve apart so you can get rid of the outer box. Now by doing this, whoops, and I've made some changes and I've nudged some things over. What we did lose is some interior parts of the lake itself that you could very easily draw on if I hadn't changed the sizes so many times. And you could, this is the tributary and this is landmass. So if you had not, well, we can do it and kind of place it in there maybe. Let's take the Smart Fill tool. Even though that is our trace, I didn't keep, that is our clip art, I did not keep the original. But you understand what I'm talking about, hopefully. But by doing the outside, I didn't have to open up these tributaries. And then you could always take your shape tool, like in the previous video, and make this river between these two shapes a little bit bigger, depending on what you're going to do with it. So there's another way to do it that's pretty sweet idea. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.